Hello explorers, we are off to do another Manila adventure today. And can you guess what? Yeah, I think you know what you're talking about.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. Just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
Hello! Awesome! It's free pala guys. Yeah, why is it free?
Since 2020.
Ah! Guys, we should ride this more often. It's free. Hey there, I'm Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and if you're new to my channel, I love sharing my adventures and activities to inspire the wanderlust within you. For today, I am going to be taking two of my friends on another Binondo adventure. But before we do that, I'm sure you guys have seen a few of my older Binondo videos. It's going to be slightly different because we are going to be taking the Pasig River Ferry. I'm going to introduce you to two of my new friends, Joanne and Abdel. Hi guys! Welcome, welcome!
Hello!
Welcome to the Philippines!
Thank you, Paul.
Although you've been here like a month?
Yes, a month now.
Okay.
I extended my visa already for another month. Let's go.
It's like you're making sure, guys, I have a visa.
Yes.
So this will be Abdel's first time to go to Binondo, and also for all of us to experience the
Pasig River Cruise.
We were super excited. We thought it was our turn, but
Maybe 30, ma'am.
what?
10:30 pa lang.
But we're 11:30, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk around. Yeah, and I guess we can enjoy the scenery of Pasig for now.
Scenery
Alright.
and the hot weather of Manila. Yes.
And the traffic and the smell.
Gotta experience it, right?
Smell of Manila.
Gotta experience it all. Oh, look
Take it all in.
No, it's okay right now. It smells like barbecue.
Oh,
Someone's fishing.
they're fishing. So that means there's the river is alive.
Tasty fish on Pasig River.
So, did you ever imagine you'd be walking here, like in the main spot of Manila? Like you said, like this is pretty popular, right? With all the posters and stuff.
Yes, no, I'm not. This is all thanks to you. Thank you so much for introducing me to Pasig River and its stench.
Smells a bit fresh.
It's so fresh.
Professional vlogger.
Scary, scary.
Why are we in the middle of Guadalupe? Walang pedestrian, guys.
Okay. So where are we going?
Yeah, I think we're on the sea. See?
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Alright, so because our boat is at 11:30, we have an hour and 20 minutes to go around. So we are here now in Guadalupe looking for a coffee shop.
Adventure time.
Adventure! Always an adventure with Natalie!
Oh my gosh, Nat, where are you taking us? Why are we like...
Have you been here before?
No.
Wait.
Oh, wow.
Ano yan, kuya?
Suso.
Suso?
Ah.
Wow! Wow.
So, if you go with this girl, you have to be very adventurous. You don't know where you'll end up.
This is the real Manila. We
Yes.
all live in BGC, which everyone knows is a bubble.
Yeah.
It's a bubble of Metro Manila. So it's nice for Abdel to go around and
Exactly.
check out what's Manila really like.
Bella.
I am convinced now that I saw the real Manila, I will live here instead of BGC.
We're following you.
You're going to McDonald's?
But what's the destination?
The destination is a coffee shop, so we can hydrate. We've made it to our destination, but the cafe is closed.
Good job choosing a place.
My Google Maps full. It was open.
Hey, there is still McDonald's.
That's true. We can go to McDonald's.
McDonald's?
Something at McDonald's.
There's no other cafes nearby?
I can look at my phone.
Yeah, sure. There's Cabeza, just a little down the road.
Does that mean head?
Is it open? Yeah, it's open.
Cabeza.
With a K. That's true. Filipinos don't have
C.
C's.
I'm supposed to be the tour guide, but I'm letting him tour us now.
Okay.
Look at your sweat.
I know. Oh my guys, ang init talaga. Pero problema ko naman. Why am I wearing long sleeves? Why?
I made a meme exactly for that.
I
In the
know,
Philippines.
I saw. Hey, but you're also technically wearing a long sleeve.
This is just to cover myself from the heat. The quieter side of Guadalupe. Found a cafe that's open.
No. Push kasi.
Ooh, my aircon.
I'm sweating. Can you please?
Baliktad.
Ay,
You don't know how to do it?
Ganyan?
No, oh my
I
gosh.
know.
I have to hang like this. Hey, guys, she's not Filipino. She doesn't know how to take care of her children.
I just go like this.
You put it inside the time. Ah. Pero you have to pull everything down.
About that. Look at that. Paddle Pilipinas. I'm a paddle player.
Ah, we made it back just on time. It's not even 11:30. It's not even 11:30, right? I'm actually quite surprised that the boat's moving quite fast.
Wondering where you are.
Wow, he's really making friends. And here we are, just like chitty-chatting, cruising, enjoying the view.
Look at the view. So nice.
La, la, la.
Just past Malacanang Tower. For some reason, we cannot film that. I don't know why. Do you know why?
You might catch the president doing something naughty.
Oh.
That's why no filming in the
Filming in
Malacanang.
Malacanang. We have made it! After how many, 30 minutes?
Felt longer, but
Felt longer. Look at that.
so nice from the riverside pala.
Yes. Love it.
Guys, Nat is gonna swim.
No, I will swim if you
Dare.
drink a shot of Pasig
No.
River water.
That's even worse. Nobody has done that ever.
Really? You will be the first.
Can I do it? No, I don't want to die. Shop na like Will dancing to the game.
Ticket, ma'am.
Ticket.
Basta na po, okay lang. Sorry. Your ticket. You have to submit your ticket.
The ticket, it's in my
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you get part 2 of this adventure.